My biggest weakness? Actually, it's my incredible cowardice.
Oh, improv! I love improv. I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, when the Saints go marching in.
I think you would be a great sidekick for me.
No, Knuckles. I'm looking for someone to be my sidekick.
We'd have to change your name, though. I'm thinking Knuckles Jr.
Okay. Last question. What would you do in a no-win situation?
If I'm with you, there's no such thing as a no-win situation.
Huh. You really get it, new guy.
I do get it, but I'm not a new guy. In reality, I am none other than...
Tails? You cannot be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. I'm a lock. Unless there's something you're not telling me.
Fine, but get ready for the tryout of your life.
Hello.
Eggman!
What are you doing here?
My name is Dr. Eggman, and I'm here about the sidekick position.
What? But you're my arch nemesis.
That's true, but I could be a valuable asset to your organization. For example, I'm a doctor. Not a real doctor, a PhD, but still.
You can't be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome.
Okay, fine. You both can move on to round 2, but neither one of you is going to be my sidekick.
Who else is there?
Actually, do you validate parking?
Congratulations, you're the third candidate.
Actually...
All right, being my sidekick is no easy task. This competition will test your strength, stamina, and endurance. The winner will be whoever makes it through...
Actually, it's whomever.
The winner will be whomever makes it through all of the unimaginable hardships and brings me the red flag I planted atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
Actually... Actually, I'm okay.
What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle.
Actually, I'm just gonna lie down in the fetal position and weep.
Give up, Eggman. This job is rightfully mine.
I'm not here to be Sonic's sidekick, you nincompoop. I'm here to get rid of you both once and for all.
Sonic, I'm stuck!
Tails, I didn't really want to fire you. I was just trying to protect you.
How? By putting me in more danger?
The plan had holes!
Oh, Sonic! I have one last surprise for you. I took your advice. Burnbot can burn things.
I can't swim.
You're waterlogged! I can't lift you!
Don't worry about me. Get out of here.
That's not how sidekicks do!